Okay, this is day 3 of the new deck. And if you look out there, I'm counting that being day 3 too, with those posts I put out there for the batting cage. I got it strung up right now because I'm gonna put it back out, but the wind got real heavy and it started yanking the net for a while. I had to retighten the lines a little bit, but this is where we are right here. Anyway, so I'm about to start putting up the pieces little by little, start building the framing. So it's gonna be a lower level. All these posts right here, that's the lower level pretty much marking. Everything's gonna be lower level, and then it's gonna come up and have a little upper level from here to here. And that's gonna go all the way around the top and the side. And so the lower deck will be sitting in the middle. The upper deck will be up here. That'll be walled in closed. That'll be a step down at an angle. 2 steps or 1 step depending on the height, which I'm about to select right now. So here's the beginning. All right, the structure coming along. Right now you can see the stairs gonna be right over here. This is the lower deck. I'm gonna also extend all the way out there. That's gonna all be part of the lower deck, and it goes up into the perimeter. You're not even gonna realize that there was a slope right here that was sloping off the main grade of my house and my shop. You're not even gonna notice that was even there. The way it's gonna basically make it all geometric and digital, so have that geometric and digital look. And you're walking down right here, then it'll open up to the lower deck. I'm actually gonna knock this wall out of the lower patio down, get rid of that railing, and you'll be able to go right into the patio. I'm also gonna bring this wall up, cover that wall up from this post about that height all the way down, and also this gonna be covered up too. It's gonna be filled in right there too, so you're not gonna be able to see anything for about this height all the way to this post, back all the way to the shop. So then this is gonna be an upper bedding area. So I'm gonna have planting, like a planter. So I'll put some shrubs in here to give it some greenery look, because I'm gonna start adding more greenery around here. And I'm gonna have it all mulched in and everything. So I'm about to start working on putting the little frame right here for the upper bedding area. And that's where we're gonna be at. Okay, as we continue to conclude another day. Continue and conclude at the same time, right? But here's the progress so far. This is gonna be the upper bedding area. So I'm gonna have like a growing area right here on the upper part. So I'll be able to put some greenery right here. Plan to probably have shrubs on a straight shot down. Might divide this on the front and the back and have my shrubs on the front side, and then have maybe put some onions and some garlic or some stuff like in these small growing things right here. I want to get rid of this. I'm tired of these little blue pools all over my yard. As you can see, they're everywhere. And I pretty much want everything to look like it's built and kind of made that way. So I'll continue with the rafters over there. I'm actually gonna probably add some supports right there because it's pretty wide span right there. It's 12 foot. So on this 8-foot section, it's pretty sturdy, but on that 12 foot, it might be kind of limp in the middle. So I might put a little support down there. So, but this is where I'm at so far. This is the progress, and we're coming right along. All right, we're checking in right now, letting y'all know where we at, where we going, what we doing. So I done filled that in today. Also filled in some little segments over there in the corner. Well, that's gonna be my little trash cans storage. Gonna go over there because I'm tired of having the trash cans against the house. But I'm gonna have a little setup right down on top of the wood deck for the trash cans to go. But right here, this the part y'all gonna love. Y'all gonna love this stuff. Look, so this wall right here, right? This wall is gonna be this wall. Of course, this corner is gonna be blocked off. You're not gonna be able to see through there. But this wall it's gonna be a grass wall. I'm putting grass up the wall, green grass, and I'm gonna have a neon sign. Neon sign right here. I don't know, something like vibes. Boom. So this gonna be like the feature right here, man. This gonna be glowing. It's gonna be backlit. The colors gonna be out here popping. But that's the feature I'm gonna put on this wall right here. That's what's gonna make this thing, this patio go to a whole nother level. So that's where we at right now. Yeah, I was just fixing up some structure over here so I can wall this in. This is where my little trash can's gonna sit. So we can get them off that corner right there. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with the hydroponic system. I'm gonna move it somewhere else, but it ain't gonna be up here. All this gonna be nice and clean. I want it crisp and clean. All right, so just checking in with y'all. Let's keep going. You can start to see the vision taking place. Step downstairs. All this gonna be deck too. I ain't got the wood flooring, the decking put down, or the joists put down yet, because I'm still walking back and forth working on this stuff. But eventually I'm gonna close all this in too. But you see that? That's the lower deck. This gonna be like the seating around the outside. I'm gonna be able to put furniture down there and all that. This gonna be the bedding area up top. Be able to have some nice shrubs going up there. And that's gonna be a floral wall right there. I put a neon sign on that mug. Yeah, it's gonna be lit out here though. You see the progress.